watching our two tropical systems as they both get closer to a United States landfall. The closest one is Marco. The latest advisory at 5 o'clock has it still as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 75 miles per hour, but winds gusting to 90, mainly in the northeastern part of the storm. And it's located about 240 miles south-southeast to the mouth of the Mississippi River, which is about this point right here. It is forecast to continue moving northward and then start turning more towards the west or to the left as it approaches the Louisiana coastline tomorrow. And they kind of skirt likely right along the Louisiana coastline and then head off into Texas as we head into the middle portion of the week. So the question now really is how close does Marco get either onshore or staying offshore? If it stays onshore, it means we'll be weaker. If it stays just offshore, there's a chance this could actually maintain some intensity as it moves off to the west. So that's something we'll be keeping our eyes on with a possible landfall tomorrow with Marco. Laura has emerged now from the island of Hispaniola, is skirting just now to the south of the island of Cuba. In fact, as of 5 o'clock, it was 50 miles south of Guantanamo, Cuba. Winds are still 60 miles per hour as it's moving to the west-northwest at 21. This is forecast to either clip southern portions of Cuba or just miss off to the south and then emerge into the Gulf of Mexico. What's new with Laura with the new update at 5 o'clock compared to what we have seen is a shift again further off to the west with landfall closer to the Louisiana-Texas border as opposed to central Louisiana. But there's still some wiggle room. Models kind of keep bouncing back and forth with this. What has also changed is the National Hurricane Center notes while they're forecasting a Category 2 hurricane on approach to Louisiana, it's not impossible that Laura could become our first major hurricane of the year and make it to Category 3. So that's something we'll also have to watch as we head into the middle portion of the week. Landfall is expected late Wednesday into Thursday, so within 48 hours, we are still likely to see two landfalling systems in the United States, and they will be, again, very close to each other. The path that's in yellow is Marco's forecast path. The path in red is Laura's, and you can see that basically southern Louisiana and portions of Texas could be dealing with two systems here all within the span of 48 hours. Here at home, no direct impacts from either system. We have seen plenty of clouds, and this is thanks in part to Hurricane Marco. Some of those clouds, some of that moisture has been brought in our direction. 84 degrees for us as we look over the belt line in Raleigh, and temperatures will continue dropping slowly through the overnight. We'll bottom out in the lower 70s again, and I can't rule out a stray rain shower as we head through the next couple of hours. We've seen a couple of those trying to fire across central Louisiana, but most have this actually isn't even making it to the ground. The clouds are out there, and they're staying with us as we head through the night tonight. And I can't rule a lot of showers I mentioned early on. We should start your Monday dry, and they'll be watching for a couple of straight isolated showers as we head through the day. But I think for the most part, it's going to be a mainly dry day, but you may just have to dodge a raindrop or two. Then we start off dry on your Tuesday, but as we head through the day, again, I can't rule out a stray shower, but clouds should finally start to clear from north to south through the day. And that's going to let temperatures really warm up as we head into the middle part of the week. So for us tomorrow, about 88 degrees or so into the Sandhills with plenty of clouds around. Same thing for southern coastal plain, about 86 degrees as we head towards the northern coastal plain, the south side of Virginia, and about 87 to 88 degrees again for us in the triangle. We'll drop rain chances a nudge on Tuesday at 89. Then that sun shines back, and look how it warms us up. 93 on Wednesday, 94 on Thursday. Friday and Saturday is what we're watching for some moisture left over from Laura that couldn't make it this far north. That brings some scattered showers and storms around. But look at those temperatures behind it. Highs drop back into the middle 80s, lows into the upper 60s. Definitely nicer there. Our 3-degree forecast high for today was 88. We hit 89, so another $100. We are 23 of 23 for the SOAR Outreach. That's our 3-degree charity this month as we're partnered with Michael and Son. Your 3-degree forecast high for tomorrow is also 88 degrees.